All right, we have another week that has begun. So it's back into the shop. I'm cutting out some pieces of wood for a birdhouse that I'm going to be building, or actually it's a nesting platform. My mom was wanting one now, and I'm making it out of some scrap material I had out of the red oak that I had used on another project. I've got it all cut out. Should have it finished up shortly. I'm also working on the cabinet doors. I've got one of them. I'm putting in a little piece of wood on it in order to put the two panels together and make them wide enough without a gap in them. So this week, I'm not going to do a whole lot of talking on election results, inauguration day, or any of that craziness going on in politics. Quite honestly, there's enough of other YouTube channels that are doing all that kind of talking, and there's a whole bunch of different stuff being said back and forth about what's going to happen on the 20th, what's not going to happen on the 20th. I honestly, we've gotten to this position in our country because we neglect to teach our children about what it takes to run this government the proper way. We find it taboo to talk about politics and religion, and therefore it's real easy for those who want to play games and teach people an incorrect process on politics, as well as a different view on religion, on whether you believe or not in God. I believe in God. I don't apologize for that. I never will. I believe that our government is not being run constitutionally, not now, and it hasn't been in the last probably since the end of the Civil War. With things that have gone on and the way that the progressive style of governing has been pushed. It used to be you were an American, you believed in self-preservation, you believed in making something of yourself, and you believed in the community that you were in and helping your neighbor. And today it seems like it's more or less helping the political elite run the country into the ground. So I think that's pretty much where I'm going to leave that at for now. If you want to hear my thoughts on politics and things like that, let me know, and I'll do another video on that specifically. But being as it is getting to the end of the month of January, I'll be putting out this week a video of the wildlife around the homestead. So I wanted to actually, before that video footage started, to just take a moment and I wanted to thank one of my subscribers. I've already sent her a message, and I've asked if she minds my mentioning her, and she said she didn't mind. So Kimberly, My wife and I want to thank you. She made a donation to us. I don't know if anybody really knows that we had that donation button or donation link in our description area. The donation she made was a lot more than I would have figured anybody would donate to us. It'll help us out, definitely. And I want to thank you for your generosity. And it's something that you don't see a lot of these days, where someone wants to actually donate without any recognition or anything being given back to them in return for a donation. And her reply was basically that God had brought her to my channel, and she wanted to make a donation. So again, Kimberly, it's just I'm happy you came along, and I hope that my journey or our journey here on the homestead is something that you will still enjoy in future videos. So anybody else that wants to make a donation, I appreciate it. Honestly, it does help. Everything helps. If you're just coming to the channel and you've not watched any of my videos before, and anything on my channel resonates with you, by all means, click the subscribe, hit the little bell. Gives you all the notifications when I put out a new video, and it gets me that much closer to the 1,000 subscriber mark that YouTube has put in place in order to have content creators be paid for the content that they're actually putting out on YouTube. With all that being said, we'll go ahead, and I think I've talked enough, and we can move on into the wildlife footage, which will mostly be deer, because they are just crazy thick up here this time of year right now. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And again, I want to thank everybody for subscribing, for watching my videos. And anything you can do to help us out would be greatly appreciated. So, God bless, and have a great day. I'm gonna go finish my coffee.
Thank you.